name is Club, and today we're making slime. We need glue, water, and glitter paint, and you need
laundry detergent,
and soap, and food coloring. Stir with your hand.
Okay, pull it up once. Let me see what it looks like. Why don't you have gloves on, Cayden?
I like to do without gloves.
But what kind of scientist are you without gloves? He's a corona scientist. He about to get the coronavirus. Lord, we mind it.
Lord, please this
Ooh, that's kind of
gooey.
gooey. Ew.